So guys,
Fine came over for one of the installs.
I know.
Ever since when?
It's been a while.
Ever since
The big break on these ones. I'm back to big break again, bro.
You're back again. Alright, so welcome back to Prominence. We got another install for Hector's car. We got 2. That's what he said. And we're gonna be adjusting his height also. I think that should be good.
It's 500 each one. That's 1 liter.
Racing brake fluid, guys. Sheesh.
And yeah, I know you're about to go get a tarp just so we can hang from the fence over there. Ace chilling.
Dude, it's hot out here, bro. Like, I don't even know how to say, like,
It's hot out here somewhere. Look at this. We got anti-roll kit, big brake kit. The only thing we're having troubles with is because he didn't buy the brake kit for the rear. He just bought rotors, and we're gonna see if they still fit. This should be kind of a pain in the ass to put in, just because we're not on the lift. But yeah, there they go.
I don't know. I agree that Hector should be working on his car.
Yeah, me too, bro.
So like, I'm hiring you guys.
You're hiring us.
Yeah.
My hand's empty, bro. Do you see money here?
Alright, so Angel didn't know this.
wow, okay. Just calm down. You could have just said, just, you know.
Alright, I won't put that, maybe.
No, put it in.
Yeah, maybe.
Alright,
So-
well, look, Edgar used the wrong tool. He used the Torx and not an Allen key. So
I mean, I thought it was Torx. It looked like a Torx. But anyways, so if you don't zap them off, it's just gonna like spin this whole part. And you have to be holding it to the center. And then like patching it off if you want to do it that way.
Tech tips.
Tech tips, yep.
Did you learn?
huh?
You learned something today, bro. That's badass.
Damn. When did you install these, bro? How come I haven't seen a video for that?
For what?
For your coilovers.
What video do you want?
Alright, so I got Angel and Hector working. Dang,
Bro, he's missing garments for
this guy's just laying down. What we got Hector doing is taking off some bolts for the anti-roll bar. And then after that, it's just the other side, and we could probably just light it out from one side. No.
Alright guys, we got it out.
So that's the old one?
Yeah, that's the old one.
So we have to take off clips. If not, then you're just gonna...
Yeah. Well, are we gonna take out? Oh shoot, we're gonna take out the whole thing or what?
No, I mean, we can just...
Like sneak it in again?
Sneak it in again.
Alright, for sure.
And the new one, let me see. The new one is this one. What?
Yeah, it goes on like that.
Oh yeah, it does. So then the bushings are wrong then.
What do you mean, bro?
Yeah, we can spin.
Oh, okay. Damn, dude, Fang is fucking hella mad, bro. What do you mean, dude?
Edgar, why'd you use like this extension?
This is a swiveling walking. What the fuck are you calling? People who ordered food, bro, like fucking Tacolandia, bro.
$5, bro. $5.
$5 taco, bro. Sue's paid 50. What is it? 55 bucks for just 2?
No,
you guys?
52.
You got 52. I paid 42, bro.
I paid 26 on myself, but I got 4 tacos and agua fresca.
But I told my brother, like, get something, dude. You're gonna be hungry. Like, just get something. He's like, nah, I'm not even hungry. I was like, at least get 2 tacos.
Bro, they even have fucking onion and cilantro, bro. That shit pissed me off.
Oh yeah, they ran out.
Taco,
Yeah.
bro. We just
What do
got
you mean,
dry
bro? I
ass
poured
taco.
mine up with sauce. Bro.
I did, but like I wanted
wet.
some fucking.
Yeah, I wanted cilantro too.
Yeah, that's true.
Alright, so what have we done?
Nothing?
We put the bracket. You
Oh, yeah.
put that? We put the bracket, the rotors on. And now we're getting the
No, show it off first.
the brake.
Shit, bro. I was shine. I'm scared, bro.
Go, just.
Alright, so
Damn.
Alright, we're gonna get on this side so that way we guys have a better view, and the one that actually own this car is gonna get some to put. You're gonna get to put to work. Ah, damn, dude. That looks sick. Alright, first you have to put on the rotor, remember?
Oh yeah.
It's right here. It's cleaned already. Alright, put in some bolts so that way it doesn't fall off.
These?
Yeah. Alright, let me see. Dude, that looks crazy insane.
Wait till the wheels come off.
Yeah, I know. Wait till the wheels are on. Yeah, I think it's gonna make the calipers stand out because of the black
It's
gonna be wheels?
so
Yeah.
black, not fucking blend in.
Huh?
It's black wheels. They're not gonna blend in as much no more.
No, I know. The calipers are gonna be like.
Hey, aren't you a specialty at this?
Yeah, I got my AC on this.
I hammer it in, right?
Huh?
I just hammer it in. Are you sure? Bro, you sure you don't need lube?
No, I'm pretty sure it says no lube, dude.
This is hard to put in, bro. I also don't want to fucking force it in there.
No, I know.
I don't want to. You decide, dude. Just send it.
I mean, we have lube.
I mean, but Edgar's saying you don't need it.
Okay, we're trying it again. On Edgar's side now.
I got one in, but. Oh, there you go.
Oh, there we go. Edgar got it in. No, they should slide in.
Bro, this aren't slide in.
Wiggle them? Yeah, there we go.
Oh.
It's all in.
Brakes are in.
I just have to tighten this up.
And then
The brake lines are in too.
brake lines, and now we need to do the rears. Like, the rears we're just gonna do rotors to match the front.
Alright, I got my side in. I'm just waiting on Peña. But once again, yeah, looks so clean. I don't know, maybe I just like new car parts all the time. Cause mine look dusty and like old, but I don't know, I like mine still a lot. How do you feel about them?
They look good. I'm just waiting until the wheels are on.
So the wheels are on, so that way you can see? Sheesh.
Alright. So Edgar's just loosening the rears.
Wait. Fuck.
That's one mechanic move. You put the right.
Hey, this guy's over torqued my MAP sensor, dude.
Oh yeah, mine. Or
he over-
and I overtook my head too when we were doing the valve.
You overtake your valve?
Yeah, but I had a bolt and I replaced
Oh
it.
yeah, I remember that.
That was at the very beginning. We didn't have a channel.
Wait, you stripped the bolt?
Yeah, I stripped the bolt.
But he
How
replaced
lucky is he, bro? I stripped my fucking head.
So like this?
Yeah. You have the bolts on you? The screws or whatever?
Oh, it does fit.
No, I know, but the calipers.
They're these.
I'm just waiting for the calipers.
Oh, the calipers to fit?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to push it in, I know it.
There. Shit.
Before I fucking cross thread like Peña, remember? Your exhaust stud?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Remember it snapped?
No? Where's the proof?
Videos.
Wait, hold up, let me fill this up first.
Peña's gonna fill it up. I bought some Modal RBF 600 DOT4. Alright, I'm gonna pump it now.
Alright, pump it.
I just did it.
Keep doing it.
Keep going.
I'm releasing. Alright, I'm going.
Keep going.
Oh.
You can do it fast, dude.
Is it getting hard?
No. Keep going?
Yeah, keep going.
Alright. Modal RBF 600. Peña, we switched spots.
Yeah, look at this face. Look at this face.
Dude, I'm sweating.
He's not gonna deny it. He's like, yeah, I'm sweating. Alright, Peña's pumping it,
Peña's
and
pumping. He's bleeding.
I'm bleeding
That's
it.
hard.
It's hard already?
Yeah.
Alright.
Stop off.
You see that? That's how much air there is. Alright, pump it again.
Leg workout.
Go for it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Hold it.
Steering wheel. It's getting. Should get redone or carbon fiber like Angel?
You carbon fiber right
Yeah, I like Angels. Carbon
Yeah,
fiber.
I know I like this too.
Alright,
Tell
pump
me
it.
trade.
Huh?
Tell me trade.
Pump it.
Yeah, pump.
Just stiff.
It's good?
Yeah, it's stiff. Still there?
No. There's no more air. And it's clean.
Oh yeah, he rolled that one.
Yeah, he rolled it.
Yeah, because he said on that one that it looked cleaner like that. Because if he rolled it, we'd have to relocate tabs and the bumper was gonna be pressed in.
Wait.
Or it wouldn't look even.
Because he
yeah.
rolled this, but he cut the. Huh?
Who rolled
Oh.
Some guy named Fender
Roller by Tony?
Tony the Fender Roller.
Yeah.
Where's this?
And
you're not
Is
Glen-
it on both front sides?
yeah, he just rolled these two, dude, and it was funny as how he would roll them. He rolled them with the PCV the PCV
You're good?
fucking
Oh,
the tubes, the PCV, the white tubes.
Oh, those shit.
Yeah, he
With
rolled
the wheel?
it.
With
Yeah,
the wheel on it?
no
wheel?
wheel. He just did it by hand. That shit was crazy.
Is it good? Is it in? Dog. Why did I keep saying that? Is it? Are you holding it in?
Yes, dude.
Alright.
You bet.
Alright. We finally got all the brake kit. Because it's not a full brake kit. But we're finally done. And Angel left us like he left me with my brakes.
With the
Halfway
mess,
through.
bro.
Yeah, with the mess. Now we have to clean all this up before we can
Actually, put wheels back on.
put
And
wheels and then test drive it with Hector to see if it's all good.
hey, Hector. So, how much work did you put in?
Like I said, I was hiring you guys. I hired you guys and I fired one. He wasn't working.
We would have finished a lot closer,
Well,
but
we took our time.
yeah,
bro.
we took our
ate
time. Yeah, we ate.
For like a good while. That's
Hector's gonna torque his wheels and then he's gonna drive right here. I told him slow stops. Cause that's the burnishing procedure for brake pads and rotors. Actually, I don't know. Anyways, we're not ending off the video now. We still hear, we hear a noise coming from the front, and it might be rubbing, or it might just be the brake pads and the rotors. But we're gonna take a look at it tomorrow for sure, me and Hector. But for now, this is the end of this install. So stay tuned. Huh?
You get lighting from the front.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Well, stay tuned, and like, subscribe, and later on, huh?